Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Speaky's channel, the best place to practice English in a fun, easy way. I'm Anna, and today I'm feeling great. How about you, Liam?
I'm doing awesome, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's a beautiful day to learn English together. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Speak Ease family.
Yes, here we speak slowly, clearly, and with love. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, relax, and let's have fun learning.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that red subscribe button right now.
And give this video a like. It really helps us reach more English learners like you. Ready? Great. Let's begin. Okay, Liam. Today's topic is super fun and useful. We'll learn how to talk about what you like to do in English.
That's right. When we meet new people, one of the first questions they ask is, "What do you like to do?" Or, "What are your hobbies?"
Exactly. So today we'll learn how to answer that question confidently, even if you're a beginner. We'll use simple words, easy sentences, and real examples.
We'll also do a short role play later. You can practice speaking with us.
Ooh, I love that. So let's start with the basics. Okay, so first, what does like to do mean?
It's simple. Like to do means something you enjoy, something that makes you happy. For example, I like to read. I like to dance. I like to cook.
Nice. And remember, we can also say I like plus verb ing. For example, I like reading. I like dancing. I like cooking.
Both are correct. I like to read and I like reading. Same meaning. You can use either one.
So easy, right? Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. I like to watch movies. I like watching movies.
Good job. You're doing great already.
Now let's talk about hobbies, the things we like to do in our free time.
Yes. Here are some common hobbies. Listen and repeat after us.
I like to read books.
I like to play soccer.
I like to listen to music.
I like to cook.
I like to travel.
I like to take photos.
I like to go shopping.
I like to play video games.
And my favorite, I like to sleep.
Oh, same here. Sleeping is a hobby too, right?
Totally. So, students, you see, you can talk about anything you enjoy. The structure is simple. I like to plus verb, or I like plus verb ing.
All right, time for a small conversation example. Let's pretend we just met at a cafe. I'll start.
Okay, start.
Hi, my name's Liam. What's your name?
Hi, Liam. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and listen to music. What about you?
I like to play basketball and cook new recipes.
Oh, that's cool. You like cooking? What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like to cook Italian food. Pasta, pizza, lasagna. I'm not a chef, but I try.
That sounds delicious. I love Italian food too.
See, it's so easy. Just share what you enjoy. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Short and natural is perfect.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
We'll say a sentence, and you repeat after us. Ready? Let's go.
I like to read books.
I like watching TV.
I like to go for walks.
I like listening to music.
I like cooking with my friends.
Nice! You're doing so well. Give yourself a clap.
Now, let's learn how to make your answers longer.
When someone asks, "What do you like to do?" don't just say, "I like music." You can add more details. For example, I like to listen to music. I listen every evening before bed. Or, I like to read books. I read stories about travel and adventure.
Good examples. So the formula is I like plus activity plus extra detail.
Yes, let's practice with some examples. I like to play soccer. I play every weekend with my friends. I like cooking. I cook dinner for my family.
I like to travel. I travel once a year with my parents. I like to draw. I draw flowers and animals.
Beautiful. The more details you give, the more natural and confident you sound.
Let's do another role play, but this time with longer sentences. Ready?
Hey, Liam, what do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go hiking. I usually go with my friends to the mountains. It's so relaxing. What about you?
I like to watch movies or bake cookies at home. Sometimes I invite my cousin to join me.
Wow, that sounds fun. What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic comedies and action movies. What about you?
I like sci-fi movies, with space and robots.
Oh, yes, those are cool. So you see, everyone has different hobbies, and that's what makes conversations interesting. Okay, Anna, now let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make when talking about hobbies.
Yes. Mistake number 1, using I like to play with everything. For example, some students say, I like to play swimming. X. That's wrong. You should say, I like to swim.
Exactly. We use play only with some activities, like play soccer, play tennis, play guitar.
Right, but not play running or play dancing. You say, I like running or I like to dance.
Mistake number 2, saying I am like. Some students say, I am like reading. X, that's wrong. It should be, I like reading.
Good point. I am is for your identity or condition, like I am happy or I am tired, but not for hobbies. So remember, I like verb or I like to verb. Sometimes students feel shy when they speak English. They worry, what if I make a mistake?
Oh, yes. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Exactly. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. If you say, I like to dance, people will understand you. That's success.
Yes. Speak slowly, smile, and use your hands. That helps you sound natural and confident.
You can even practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Listen and repeat. It really works.
Okay, let's play a quick game. I'll describe a hobby and you guess what it is. Ready?
Oh, I love games. Let's go.
Number 1. I like to move my body with music. I go to parties and enjoy it. What is it?
Hmm. Dancing?
Yes, dancing. Good job.
My turn. I like to take photos of nature and people. I use a camera. What is it?
Photography. Easy one.
Okay, last one for our listeners. I like to make food. I mix ingredients and cook delicious meals. What is it?
Cooking. See, fun and easy. You can play this game with your friends too. It helps your speaking skills. Let's quickly practice pronunciation. Slowly and clearly. Repeat after me.
I like to read. I like to swim. I like to travel. I like cooking. I like to play guitar.
Good job. Remember, keep your voice relaxed and smile when you speak. It makes your English sound friendly. Now, let's learn how to say what you don't like to do.
Yes, it's also important. Just add don't or do not before the verb.
For example, I don't like to cook. I don't like waking up early. I don't like watching scary movies.
Same. I hate scary movies.
Me too. So now you can talk about both what you like and what you don't like.
Let's try a short dialogue.
Hey Anna, do you like to play video games?
Not really. I don't like video games. I prefer reading books.
That's okay. I like video games a lot. I play with my brother every night.
That sounds fun. See, everyone's different, and that makes great conversation. That sounds fun. See, everyone's different, and that makes great conversation.
All right, friends, here are some tips to practice this topic. Write down 3 sentences about what you like to do. Example, I like to sing. I like to cook. I like to swim.
Add details. I like to sing pop songs. I cook dinner for my family. I swim in the morning.
Practice with a friend. Ask, what do you like to do? Answer, I like to watch TV. What about you?
Record yourself speaking. Listen and check your pronunciation.
Yes, and remember, speak every day, even for 5 minutes. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about hobbies and what you like to do. The main structure is together, I like to plus verb, I like plus verb ing. I don't like to plus verb.
We also learned how to give extra details, like I like to read books. I read every night.
And we practiced some common hobbies: reading, cooking, dancing, traveling, playing soccer, watching movies, and more.
Finally, remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just speak and enjoy learning. Now, time for your Speak Ease homework.
In the comments below, write 3 sentences. What do you like to do? When do you do it? Who do you do it with?
For example, I like to play basketball. I play every weekend with my friends.
Or, I like to cook. I cook dinner for my family every night.
We'll read your comments and reply with feedback. So don't be shy. Practice right now.
All right, that's all for today's episode. We hope you had fun learning with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Speak Ease channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, learning is more fun when you do it together.
Thank you for watching. Remember, speak easy, speak confident, and speak with a smile.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Bye! Keep speaking English every day.